Today we are going to unbox iPhone 16 Pro Max. It's been a while. I wanted to change my phone from XS. It's been so many years I haven't changed it. So here we're going to unbox this and check it. They have this little strip here to open. Okay, that was opened. There was a hard case and nothing inside. That is a hard case inside, and now we got this opening up from here. So let's do it. Unboxing iPhone 16 Pro Max. This is kind of learning for me to do this. This is my first unboxing which is going to go out public. I've done the unboxing long time back, few years before, for a GoPro, but I never posted it. Okay, that's the new one. Would have seen many unboxing after few months of launch date. This is going to be a late unboxing, but it's okay. This is my unbox learning. So that's the phone. That is what it says. Pro Max. Yeah. Okay. Things should be easy from here. Yes, Apple is good on this user experience. So there you go. They got a green label indicating where to start with, and that's on the top as well. So let's start from the top. Okay, that is done, and that's the bottom bit. That is done. Sweet. So now it's literally, let's try to shake it. Yeah, it's coming out. It is coming out. It is coming out. Yes, that's iPhone 16 Pro Max, and that's the box. It's upside down. It's upside down on the phone case. That's the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let's try to take the phone out. Okay, that the screen is covered with the white paper, best as a screen protector, and that. Let's come back to this. So nothing more, it's just the cable and the SIM card remover. That's it. And there is a small book. Used to have an Apple sticker before iPhone. It's all papers. Okay, in different languages, looks like. We are not on it. This is the cable, and as you can see, this one got a USB and USB. This is the second model, second year with iPhone coming up with USB-C because of European Union law, and this is my first USB phone, USB-C phone. So let's see how USB-C is changing my cable needs. I'm trying to move all my devices to USB-C going forward. This is the first one to start with. And the cable just comes out just like that, and it's not feeling rubbery. It's feeling like a texture. There is a texture actually on it. I think you guys can see the texture. Yeah, it's fine. That's the cable. Now that's the phone itself. Let's remove this. Wow, can see my lights. Okay, that's the paper. That feels little gluey. Let's switch it on. Look at that. That is the new camera button. Yeah, that's where you can see, and the finishing is good. There is another button, action button here. Hope you guys can see that. Yeah, and that's the camera button. And that's the next one. That's the camera, 3 camera, and you can see the 3 buttons here for this side. And that's the SIM card slot, and that's USB-C. Yeah, let's power it on and see. That's it. It's powering up first time. My iPhone 16 Pro Max. Hello. So that is all I'm going to do with unboxing iPhone 16 Pro Max. And now it is 2025 February. So it's been few months since this phone has been launched. So I just got it now, so I did the unboxing, and plus I would like to practice myself for unboxing. I would like to do more unboxing. So this video is my learning video about unboxing. Whatever the flaws it is on this video, please excuse me. I will try to get better in future, and I will be doing another video on setting up this phone, a complete walkthrough. So do catch up on that video. Please leave comments on if you want me to do any other unboxing, and please subscribe me. I will see you on another video. Thank you. Bye.